Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Make sure your phone is online, VPNs are off, and the account you intend to share from is signed into Google Maps. Then enable location and high accuracy mode so GPS and network data combine for reliable positioning. Once done, open Google Maps, tap your profile, and go to location sharing. This moves you directly into the sharing workflow without wasting time on unrelated setup steps. Now continue by choosing how to share. Select a contact, create a link, or use family group options. Each method has different privacy implications, so pick deliberately. Grant Google Maps permission to access location all the time. Without that, background sharing will stop. Set the duration or choose indefinite if you need continuous updates. Make sure the recipient's account or phone number is correct and preview the shared link to confirm it. Reveals only what you intend before final. Finish by confirming the live location dot and a recent timestamp visible to the recipient. This proves sharing is active. If updates stop, toggle location off and on, check app permissions, and restart the phone. Many issues clear with a reboot. If problems persist, clear Google Maps cache, update the app, or test sharing to a different account or device to isolate the fault. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable battery saver and background restrictions, because they commonly block continuous sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.